Have you ever questioned why we use the classic prayer pose? When we hold our hands in this classic prayer position, the hands are placed to communicate with the Creator, with the spirit energy, God, Goddess, whatever term you wish to use. The hand position or mudra for prayer is that of the hands facing each other in the front of the body, fingers extended with the tips and the palms facing one another. The use of this mudra is very common throughout the world and is taught as the preferred form of prayer within the Judeo-Christian traditions. What is not realized by most of us, however, is the reason for the mudra. Each of the fingertips, through touching those of the opposite hand, completes the circuits and provides access simultaneously. The net effect is enhanced through contact of the large chakras located with the center of each of the hand, the palm chakras. It is through these access points, the fingertips, the palm chakras, that energy, information and light is directed to other parts of our body. For many, these techniques are almost instinctual as they mirror a knowing from a deeper part, that aspect that resides deep inside our being. Through the science of mudra, prayer may become an intentional process of acknowledging a oneness with all of creation. My name is Sharon Rammel, and I have spent more than 25 years in complementary health care, helping people free themselves, stand on their own 2 feet, so that they are no longer feeling as if they are hostage to themselves, the medical profession, whomever. We are going to explore the use of this amazing hand mudra, Anjali mudra, or prayer position. We are going to discover some of the ancient roots of it, how it spreads throughout all countries and creeds, and we are going to empower it, fire it up through some simple yet effective, mostly yoga-based techniques and some Reiki and other spiritual techniques that will enliven the power, the passion that is within our palms, our fingertips, so that when we come together in Anjali mudra at our heart center, we may live and breathe the power, the passion, and have it resonate throughout our being. Blessed be.